Hello everyone. I welcome you all for lecture 3 of module 4. Today we'll discuss about irrigation management transfer policies and activities or irrigation management activities and institutions. An irrigation system is a system of physical structures such as dams, canals, gates, pumps and others that capture water from the natural source and distribute it to farmer to use for watering crop plants. Irrigation management activities are water distribution, that include capturing and distribution of water in an irrigation system. Maintenance includes repairing and maintaining the physical features or structures of the irrigation system. Resource mobilization means an act of movement, right? Raising the resource needed for the operation and maintenance. Conflict resolution, resolving conflicts among users and system managers over the above three items. Irrigation management institutions include the rules and organizations concerned with these four activities. Irrigation management policy. Government irrigation management policy includes those rules and principles that defines institutions, rules and organization. Irrigation management policies thus define water distribution rules, the rule defining the proper distribution of irrigation water to users. Resource mobilization rules, the process of mobilization of resources for the operation and maintenance of the system, including requirements for the payment of irrigation fees for the contributing labor. Conflict resolution rules, the rules regarding how conflicts are to be settled. The term the system manager or the important persons or system in the irrigation water transfer policy. The system managers, the person or organization responsible for operation and maintenance for resource mobilization for the conflict resolution. These items are defined in government policy for all government managed irrigation systems. These are more important policy provisions rather than this single document. Irrigation management transfer. Irrigation management transfer IMT can be defined as the transfer of some or all irrigation management responsibilities for an irrigation system from a government agency to one or more private or local persons or organizations. Management transfer need not be total but could be limited to specific parts of irrigation systems or to specific management functions. Irrigation management transfer activities are the programs and individual efforts designed to implement irrigation management transfer policies. Dimensions for classifying irrigation management transfer policies and activities. The definition of IMT, irrigation management transfer, includes transfer of responsibilities from a government agency to private persons or organizations, as we defined. This suggests that two of the needed traits means characteristics, right, are definition of the person or organization to whom the responsibilities are to be transferred. Second one, the responsibilities, what are the responsibility to be transferred from the government agency to the private person. First one is the definition of the person and organizations to whom the responsibilities are to be transferred. Now, what are the responsibilities to be transferred from the government agency to the private person? Transfer of responsibilities should be to water user associations or some form or other, right? uh, the reason is that the water users, who is water user, the farmers have the proper set of motivations to handle irrigation management activities efficiently and effectively. The rights and powers, particularly those over water distribution in the broad sense, to be transferred, since irrigation management transfer involves two parties, the government and the private organization, and the person resources should be mobilized for the operation and maintenance for any irrigation system. Other issues, the change in system and requirements for resource mobilization for the government agency, changes in system and requirements for resource mobilization for the private person and organization, the means by which IMT is to be implemented. The following seven elements as the key dimensions for classification of irrigation management transfer policies and activities. Persons or organizations to whom responsibilities are transferred, responsibilities transferred, rights and powers transferred, change in agency resource mobilization, change in resource mobilization for the private persons or organizations, change in conflict resolution institutions, integrated management irrigation management transfer implications, IMT implications, so implementations. In any one of classification, it may not be necessary to make use of all of these dimensions. With this, so we end the lecture 3 of module 4. Thank you.